Hi, I'm Dr. Jim Parker. I'm a reader in the Leeds Sustainability Institute at Leeds Beckett University, and I head up the research theme of sustainable urban environments, which we do quite a bit of microclimate modelling and air quality monitoring around the city. I'm here today at Gair, the University of Leeds, to check a sensor that's been faulty that's part of a fellowship programme that I'm working on, supported by Kat Scott and Jim McQuaid from University of Leeds, that's funded through the Future of UK Treescapes programme. The fellowship is called TRUE, so we like a good acronym in our department, and that is the Treescape Regulation of Urban Environments. So what we're doing as part of that is we have a network of these sensors all around Leeds. So there's 70 of them in total installed in either grey or green spaces. Green spaces include a number of treescapes up here in Roundhay, in Gledhow Woods and other places around the city, some down in Middleton. And then we've got them in parks, which also have sort of mini treescapes, and some in small urban parks in the city centre. Having the sensor installed at Gair Wood's a really good opportunity as part of the microclimate monitoring that we do around the city. One of the main reasons is it's a really good rural reference site, right? So it's right on the edge of the city, but is completely rural, as you can see around us. It's also an unrivaled opportunity to have some long-term measurements of the microclimate as the landscape changes. So at the moment, we're kind of standing in pretty open fields. At some point there'll be 60,000 grown trees across the site, so it's a really good opportunity to see how much that has an effect on the microclimate in and around this space, alongside some of the other measurements that are being taken by people from the University of Leeds as well. There's a full weather station up here, there's some air quality monitoring kit as well, so it's a really good opportunity to measure it from a changing landscape point of view. These measure air temperature every 15 minutes. They're completely wireless, so they're powered by some lithium-ion batteries, and then they have a connection to the GSM network. But occasionally, because these are kind of something we've developed as part of a joint venture with a Swedish company called Sensorbee, they're in sort of beta testing. So despite us having a network of 70, we do get the odd failure. So we've come today just to change the batteries. We think that's the issue. And once they're updated, we'll start logging the temperatures again. Some of the early results just from this June have shown us that sometimes Gair Wood's up to sort of 4 or 5 degrees cooler than the city centre. But even some of the parks in the city itself are often up to sort of 3.5 degrees cooler during peak times. And yeah, hopefully this will get working again and we will update in the future.